Do 10 minutes of morning Pilates every day and see what happens to your body. The transformative power of 10 minutes of morning Pilates, benefits and a step-by-step guide. In today's fast-paced world, finding time for exercise can be challenging. However, incorporating just 10 minutes of morning Pilates into your routine can have a profound impact on your physical and mental well-being. In this article, we will explore the numerous benefits of a short Pilates session and provide a step-by-step guide on how to make the most out of those precious minutes. Benefits of 10 minutes of morning Pilates. Increased strength and flexibility. Regular Pilates practice can improve overall muscle strength and flexibility. By focusing on core engagement and controlled movements, Pilates helps tone and lengthen muscles, leading to improved posture and alignment. Enhanced body awareness. The mind-body connection is a core principle of Pilates. Through precise and intentional movements, practitioners develop a heightened sense of body awareness, leading to improved balance, coordination, and spatial perception. Increased muscle tone. Pilates exercises target various muscle groups, including the core, arms, legs, and glutes. As you consistently engage in Pilates, you can build lean muscle mass. Increased muscle tone helps to boost your metabolism, as muscles burn more calories than fat even at rest. This can support your weight loss efforts by increasing your overall calorie expenditure throughout the day. Improved posture. Sedentary lifestyles and long hours spent sitting can take a toll on our posture. Morning Pilates can counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting by strengthening the core muscles responsible for maintaining an upright posture. By retraining the body's alignment, Pilates promotes optimal posture both during exercise and throughout the day. Reduced risk of injury. By strengthening the stabilizing muscles around the joints, Pilates helps improve joint stability and reduces the risk of injuries. Regular practice can enhance muscular support, particularly in areas prone to strain, such as the lower back and knees. Stress relief and mental clarity. Engaging in a short Pilates routine in the morning can set a positive tone for the day, promoting relaxation, stress reduction, and mental clarity. The controlled breathing and mindfulness aspects of Pilates contribute to a calming effect on the nervous system, helping practitioners feel centered and focused. It's important to note that weight loss is a complex process that involves multiple factors, including diet, exercise, genetics, and overall lifestyle. While Pilates can contribute to weight loss indirectly, it should be complemented with a healthy, balanced diet and other forms of exercise for optimal results. Consulting with a healthcare or fitness professional can help tailor an effective weight loss plan based on your specific needs and goals. Step-by-step guide for a 10-minute morning Pilates routine. Warm-up, 2 minutes. A. Start in a seated position with your legs crossed, hands resting on your thighs. B. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, focusing on inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling fully through your mouth. C. Gently roll your head from side to side, releasing any tension in your neck. D. Stretch your arms overhead, lengthening your spine, and then twist gently to each side. E. Circle your shoulders backward and forward to warm up the upper body. Core activation, 3 minutes. A. Begin by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. B. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, engage your core by drawing your belly button in towards your spine. C. Slowly lift your feet off the ground, bringing your knees over your hips to form a tabletop position. D. Place your hands behind your head, elbows wide, and curl your upper body off the floor into a modified crunch position. E. Exhale as you curl up and inhale as you lower back down. Repeat for 10 repetitions. Leg strengthening, 3 minutes. A. Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms by your sides. B. Inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, engage your core and lift your right leg off the floor, keeping it straight. C. Inhale to lower your leg, but don't let it touch the ground. Repeat with your left leg. D. Continue alternating legs, performing 10 repetitions on each side. Spinal mobility, 2 minutes. A. Sit up with your legs extended in front of you, toes pointed. B. Inhale and lengthen your spine, sitting tall. C. Exhale and slowly begin to roll down through your spine, one vertebra at a time, until you are lying flat on your back. D. Inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, start to roll back up, leading with your head, and stack each vertebra on top of the other until you return to a seated position. E. Repeat this rolling movement, focusing on the fluidity of the spine, for 5 repetitions. Upper body strength and stability, 2 minutes. A. Come to an all-fours position with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. B. Engage your core and extend your right arm forward while extending your left leg back. C. Balance in this position for a few seconds, maintaining a stable and aligned body. D. Inhale to release back to the starting position, and then switch sides, extending your left arm forward and your right leg back. E. Repeat this alternating movement for 10 repetitions, focusing on stability and control. Cool down and stretch, 1 minute. A. Sit with your legs crossed, similar to the warm-up position. B. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, twist your torso gently to the right, placing your left hand on your right knee and your right hand behind you for support. C. Hold the twist for a few breaths, feeling the stretch along your spine. D. Inhale to center, and then exhale as you twist to the left, placing your right hand on your left knee and your left hand behind you. E. Hold the twist for a few breaths on this side as well. F. To finish, come back to the center and take a few deep breaths, feeling a sense of relaxation and rejuvenation. Conclusion. In just 10 minutes, a morning Pilates routine can bring about significant physical and mental benefits. From increased strength and flexibility to improved body awareness and reduced stress, Pilates offers a holistic approach to fitness and well-being. By following the step-by-step guide provided, you can establish a consistent and effective practice, setting a positive tone for your day ahead. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to make these 10 minutes of Pilates a regular part of your morning routine for maximum impact on your overall health and vitality.